G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In tutorial today we are going to be looking at the frames located in the Elements tab. So let's get started. So we come over to Elements and we scroll down and we see frames. So to see the range of frames in Canva, simply just press on frames and you will see basic shapes, film and photo, devices, paper, flowers, blob, retro, letters, numbers, and there's much more, trending, etc. Alright, so that is how you get to frames in Canva. Okay, so clicking on the basic shapes, you will see that they have all the various basic shapes: squares, circles, triangles, arrows, stars, etc. So one of the things that has changed in Canva for 2024 at some stage is the side extensions that you can do with the shapes now. So you can extend it out, you can extend it down, and you can also still just extend it and get the ratio of width and height. So you can do that with all the various shapes, basic shapes, okay, like so, and circles, down, out, sorry, diagonally, alright, and you just can place them anywhere in the frame. Alright, now the other thing that you can do with the like the bubble, the talking bubbles, extend it out, extend it down, all that sort of stuff. Alright, so they're the basic shapes within the frames category. Then you've got film and photo devices, all that sort of stuff. So some of these in here you're able to do the same thing, extend them out sideways and whatnot. Others you can't. So with this one here, for example, you can only just extend it like that. For example, also scroll down and you will see, where are we? For example, this iPhone or film texture overlay frame. Alright, again, you can only extend it like that. Alright, so there's some pretty cool frames in Canva that you can do some pretty cool things with. As we move around, there's probably maybe some things in the paper, blob for example. One of the other frames you can change around are the letters. Alright, so you can enlarge it out, down, and like before, you can extend them out as such. Alright, so that is a selection of frames. You can do numbers. Alright, you can widen them out, stretch them down, up, all that sort of stuff, and again come out from the corners. Alright, so I guess once you've got your frames, the other things you can do is put photos, images, videos, the works. So we can click here, see all the videos. So if you wanted to put a video, for example, you just click on it and drag and drop. And depending on where you wanted to position it, you just double click on the frame and you can position it left to right. You can enlarge it out. Alright, and there you go. So again, if we come to scroll up and we go to photos, for example, see all, we can add photos in, just drag and drop, double click, enlarge out, and reposition. Alright, we can drop into there, drop into there. Alright, and if you wanted to, just drop into there, double click again and reposition, all that sort of stuff. With the letters, the same. Just pick a photo, drop it in, pick a photo, drop it into the number. With the talk bubble, again, just drop it in. Double click, enlarge out, and you can change that. So there's a very quick rundown on frames. One of the other things you can do is there's an app called FrameMaker. So if you go into apps, and I've done a tutorial on this as well before, go into apps and type frame, and it will come up with FrameMaker. Alright, when you click on it, click on FrameMaker, and you'll be able to play around and create some pretty cool frames. Alright, play around with various functions there. You can also convert any design into a Canva frame. So when you click on this, it takes you to another window website. You can have a free version or a paid version. Alright, so it's pretty cool what you can actually do with this app. You can add extra points by double clicking on the frame itself and then move it out. So you can create some pretty cool, interesting frames. Alright, and then when you're done, you just add to design, and same sort of thing. Come back to elements, and you just drop into there an image. So that is, like I said, a pretty quick rundown in regards to frames within the elements section of Canva. You can have endless fun using frames. I love it. I get addicted to it. And until next time, have fun with Canva. Don't forget to jump onto my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, hit the notification button, and share. And until next time, like I said, have fun with Canva.